In this video, I will demonstrate how to do a full desktop recording with the AVer EZLive software. Start by opening up the software by double-clicking on the desktop icon. When opened, the software will allow you different options of different layouts to select for recording. Select desktop only for full desktop recording. To start desktop recording, go to the EZLive toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on the little video camera, which is Record Desktop. This will open up the desktop control toolbar. Select your microphone, set your volume, and start recording by clicking on the record button. Your screen is now being recorded. Easily minimize the icon or expand it once again. With this, I am able to go to a Word or a PowerPoint presentation, and I can start a presentation, for example, on calculating profit margin. All of this information will be recorded. How do I calculate profit margin? Calculating profit margin can be done by using the following formula. You take the sell price minus your cost price divided by the sell price times 100, and this will give you the profit margin. Once done with your presentation, go back to your desktop control, click on Stop Recording. This will automatically save the recorded video. From here, you are able to go to the Folders toolbar on your EZLive software toolbar. Click on it. This will give you an option of pictures and videos. Double click on videos, and there you will find your recorded video. Double click to open. Your screen is now being recorded. Easily minimize the icon. I will just forward the video. Presentation. And I can start a presentation, for example, on calculating profit margin. I'll close that off. This is an MP4 video file, which can now easily be uploaded to a YouTube channel, a Facebook channel, or a learner management system.